the knowledge library present. Amazing, important and informative MCQ quiz on space and technology. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for all competitive exam preparations.
The first question is, who is the father of Indian space program? A. Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. B. Dr. Satish Dhawan. C. Dr. Homi J. Baba. Or option D. Dr. Krishnaswamy Kasturi Rangan. The correct answer is option A. Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. The next question is, in which year Indian space program was started? A. 1962. B. 1964. C. 1966. Or D. 1975. The correct answer is option A. 1962. The next question is, the Indian National Committee for Space Research was founded in which year? A. 1969. B. 1966. C. 1962. Or D. 1970. The correct answer is option C. 1962. The next question is, in order to boost Indian space program in the year 1972, Government of India established A. Space Commission, B. Space Department, C. Both A and B, or option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Both A and B. The next question is, ISRO was established in which year? A. 15th August 1949. B. 15th August 1969. C. 15th August 1972. Or D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. 15th August 1969. The next question is, where is the headquarters of ISRO located? A. Chennai. B. Mumbai. C. Bengaluru. Or D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Bengaluru. The next question is, at which of the following places ISRO Navigation Center was established? A. Byalalu. B. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. C. Chennai. Or D. Sriharikota. The correct answer is option A. Byalalu. The next question is, the Liquid Propulsion System Center of the Indian Space Research Organisation is at A. Mahendragiri, Tamil Nadu. B. Bengaluru, Karnataka. C. Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. Or D. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The correct answer is option A. Mahendragiri, Tamil Nadu. The next question is, Indian Space Agency ISRO is setting up the country's first space park at which location? A. Hyderabad. B. Chennai. C. Bengaluru. Or D. Madurai. The correct answer is option C. Bengaluru. The next question is, ISRO's Master Control Facility is at Hassan, which is located in A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Odisha. C. Gujarat. Or D. Karnataka. The correct answer is option D. Karnataka. The next question is, Sriharikota range, which is used for launching satellite, is located in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu or D. Kerala? The correct answer is option B. Andhra Pradesh. The next question is, Indian Remote Sensing Institute is located at A. Bengaluru, B. Hyderabad, C. Ahmedabad or D. Dehradun? The correct answer is option D. Dehradun. The next question is, Thumba Rocket Launching Center is located at A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Jharkhand or D. Kerala? The correct answer is option D. Kerala. The next question is, Satish Dhawan Space Center is located in which of the following state? A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Karnataka or D. Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is option B. Andhra Pradesh. The next question is, for which thing Sriharikota is famous? A. Space Program, B. Biotechnology Center, C. Madras Research Center or D. Missile Launching Center? The correct answer is option A. Space Program. The next question is, near Earth orbits are located at dash altitude above the Earth's surface? A. 400 km, B. 1200 km, C. 2400 km or D. 3600 km? The correct answer is option A. 400 km. The next question is, research satellites are generally projected in which one of the following orbit? A. Low Earth orbit, B. Near Earth orbit, C. Sun synchronous orbit or D. Geostationary orbit? The correct answer is option B. Near Earth orbit. The next question is, geostationary satellite rotate at A. Any height, B. Fixed height, C. Above the pole or D. Height depends on volume of satellite? The correct answer is option B. Fixed height. The next question is, geostationary satellite has a rotation period of A. 12 hour, B. 24 hour, C. 48 hours or D. 6 hours? The correct answer is option B. 24 hours. The next question is, IRS series satellites are used for A. Communication, B. Astronomy, C. Remote sensing or D. Forestry? The correct answer is option C. Remote sensing. The next question is, which is India's first experimental satellite launch vehicle? A. ASLV, B. GSLV, C. SLV-3 or D. None of these? The correct answer is option C. SLV-3. The next question is, what is the full form of ASLV? A. Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle, B. Automatic Satellite Launch Vehicle, C. Aerospace Launch Vehicle or D. Area Satellite Launch Vehicle? The correct answer is option A. Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. The next question is, which type of fuel is used by GSLV in its operations? A. Only solid fuel. B. Only liquid fuel. C. Liquid in first stage and solid in the second stage. Or D. Solid in first stage and liquid in the second stage. The correct answer is option D. Solid in first stage and liquid in second stage. The next question is, how many stages are there in the GSLV? A. 2. B. 5. C. 3. Or D. 4. The correct answer is option C. 3. The next question is, ISRO has successfully launched GSAT-6A satellite from which rocket vehicle? A. GSLV F-07, B. GSLV F-09, C. GSLV F-05 or D. GSLV F-08. The correct answer is option D. GSLV F-08. The next question is, cryogenic temperature refers to dash temperature. A. 150 degrees Celsius, B. 150 degrees Celsius, C. 150 degrees Celsius or D. 273 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option C. 150 degrees Celsius. The next question is, cryogenic engine is used in A. Boeing aircraft, B. high-speed rail engines, C. space shuttles or D. nuclear testing. The correct answer is option C. space shuttle. The next question is, which geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle was used by ISRO to launch Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft? A. GSLV Mk3M1, B. GSLV Mk2M2, C. GSLV Mk4M8 or D. GSLV Mkv-M4. The correct answer is option A. GSLV Mk3M1. The next question is, the first satellite launched by India was A. Aryabhatta, B. Bhaskara 1, C. Bhaskara 2 or D. Rohini. The correct answer is option A. Aryabhatta. The next question is, the first Indian satellite Aryabhatta was launched in which year? A. 1972, B. 1975, C. 1976 or D. 1973. The correct answer is option B. 1975. The next question is, India's first communication satellite Apple was launched in which year? A. 27th February 1982, B. 18th September 1981, C. 19th June 1981 or D. 25th December 1981. The correct answer is option C. 19th June 1981. The next question is, Apple satellite was launched from A. Kourou, French Guiana, B. Baikonur, Russia, C. Sriharikota, India or D. Cape Canaveral, US. The correct answer is option A. Kourou, French Guiana. The next question is, what was the name of India's first mission to moon? A. Chandrayaan 1, B. Chandrayaan 2, C. Space or D. none of the above. The correct answer is option A, Chandrayaan 1.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.